Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now, Rushane Patterson, in an exclusive interview, stated that he is indeed in Atlanta, Georgia, but that the individual who went live and disrespected Slickianna is not him. He also stated that another individual is responsible for the death of Slickianna, and that he plans to return to the island, but is in fear for his life and for that of his family's lives. May I make you know here what I want, and then we'll continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
Me the running. Yeah, better based on what on the media.
So that's what. So what? Now what upon the media? Why you not going to the police?
Yeah, man, the media mess up, bro. I know me receive all the contracts say about dead in a custody. Parents go dead, they go on the gate, million things.
But the longer you stay, the longer you stay out, the worse it be, man. You know better you go in and if you consult a lawyer already.
Yeah, lawyer call them and me tell them so much I come back and then go in.
Yeah, because I said something about yesterday, so you're going yesterday.
Yeah, I couldn't come back yesterday.
Okay.
Most stuff like but I don't like something that for the girl and I mean know her.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
And I know me she come to me and one nigga she call me. They are mobile the night, she call me say she gets stranded and then I'm mobile. She come down here to her boy.
I which night she come? Which night that?
Thursday night. Call me and say she gets stranded in a mobile because the nigga saying the on your way from Mossy away from south.
Okay.
Come a Lucy.
Yeah.
So I pick her up in a mobile, I'm going to go sand the beer with her.
Yes.
Because she said she want to grab some fish. I'm there at the fish place and she eat the fish. Then the nigga call him and ask him, so who pick her up from when you say it's one of her friend. You hear me?
Yep. You hear me?
Hello?
The phone, hold on.
Yo, you hear me?
Yeah, to the WhatsApp, you know, me I hear you, know, but you not hear me. It'll go and come.
Yeah, she said one of her
So
friends.
hold on, you say you're not going to Sandy Bay in Hanover.
Yeah.
Yeah, because somebody tell me so they see you now one fish place over there.
Yeah, man, me no need to tell no lie. Me tell her how it go.
Yes.
So after we did the fish place, the nigga asked her, so how she reach a Sandy Bay?
Yes.
And he saying, friend carry him.
So upon phone, she talk to you nigga or face to face?
On phone, man.
Okay,
He saying phone, he saying friend, bring her down here so you can pick him up when they pass. So the nigga say, no, him not come Sunday Bay, she must meet her, walk well.
So you know who that the person?
Yeah, man, me have everything.
Okay.
Send them.
Okay.
Send them for everything, you know.
Yeah.
My cousin tell me to reach out to you last night and make my side be heard.
Yeah, man, me not no problem with that. Your side, you know.
Read them, let me soon send you the next part. Let's look on that.
Alright. Yeah, me hang up and read them.
Alright, no matter if I can read them now.
Alright, I can read them, yeah.
So she tell me an idea, so she used to deal with intended, you never know that social media influencer, intended boyfriend.
Which day she tell you that? Thursday night day?
No, she tell me that Thursday night, man.
Oh, Thursday, she said in the day. Okay, go ahead.
Mattis go pick him up. Matthew then call him.
Yeah.
But me couldn't find out who. I'm come on my Instagram and so.
Yes.
And last night now, get my phone in Instagram and find it because we never want to come by if we don't have no substantial evidence.
Yeah. Alright, I want this I know and see. Oh, so yeah, so this a person I'm
Yeah, at the same girl boyfriend that when he said to pick him up.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I must come from South?
Him come from Mobile, man.
Oh.
He would do some construction business and he's saying in the South.
Oh, okay. It's from Mobile, but in the South, just okay. Yeah, me understand.
Yeah. So that my story, I don't know nothing at all about it. I don't hear back on her after that till we see the name start post up and all over the place.
Mm-hmm. You reach out to the police any at all?
Yeah, man, we reach out to them. We contact the head one to Freeport.
Yeah, yeah. Big and serious. You're still there Jamaica or you left Jamaica?
No, me left. Me tell him. He know me left. Me tell him something pray for my life, brother.
Mm-hmm.
They receive threats. Receive some threats here.
But between me, well, I know between me and you, but me understand so the police have your documents, so how comes?
Yeah, and those you album me they say that too.
Yeah. Me not put that in it.
They just have to left, brother.
So on Saturday you left for you?
Saturday when me see them post up the pass in them.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna start go out and my mother start mother out.
But you're definitely going to the police then though.
Yeah, man, you can tell them so me say I'm gonna come in and you talk to me, but because in fear for my life, man, this is cooler.
But mine by the time, you know, man, because at the end of the day, well,
You hear me?
yep, yeah, you know, hear me. Hold on.
Hello?
Now, me hear what I say. And we know the media stay. And the fact that in pictures start circulate and things of that nature. However, the fact that him decide to flee and go all the way to North America, it definitely a point again. The fact that it almost seems like him dump him car and that him did have him ticket already booked. Law enforcement even has state that him book him ticket from Saturday, or rather boarded a flight on Saturday. And this was confirmed. Now him also was say Slickianna, Anika Townsend, said that she was in the area to meet with another individual. And that him only meet her over social media, and this was recently. Now, truth be told, this does sound like a truthful story. And some have claimed that if she don't know him that well, out of the numerous people where she know, with own vehicle, she have her own money, why she choose to call him? Now him go as far as to send some messages, where him say a proof of his side of the story. We feel like telecommunication providers might need to step in, both Lime and Digital. We could check the cell towers and see where the phone them did that ping from. Because him saying that send a message we check upon her after she was now away from him. We could see where the cell towers I say. It definitely don't look good. And as I say, an individual who is innocent would have go into law enforcement. In one part of the text messages, he was stating that him hear something about her and him a wonder if it's true, which was an unread message. As a matter of fact, all the message them look unread, but through a WhatsApp, them have two tick. That message only had one. And remember we say all our take place and what is still taking place in a Donnelly Donaldson's case, where the main suspect went to extreme lengths to try to cover up the crime that took place in his apartment. Him try to intimidate witnesses, him try to have video footage deleted, him dispose of evidence that is still not in the possession of law enforcement today, such as the body of Donnelly. So when we look upon that situation, this individual being the last person to be seen with her alive, the fact that right after the incident became headlines and tabloids both on paper and in social media, this individual boarded a flight off the island after knowing he was at this point the last person to see her alive. And he had no business overseas other than the fact that him say, based on what on social media, him decide to leave. How that sound to you? Me that suggest him forward back on the island. And him say him plan to do that. Him say yes, his lawyer did indeed contact law enforcement and he did plan for forwarding, but him couldn't get a flight to return to the island in time. Some people say them find that strange. Him could have find a flight to leave the island in time. But someone can't find one for return to clear him name. We don't know. Talk to me. Do you think Rushane Patterson will ever return to the island? Some have also speculated that maybe him not left. And maybe this whole he's off the island thing is to throw the people off. Well, the person him called in the interview put out the number. It was indeed from Atlanta, Georgia. People at the airport said them spot him. Law enforcement the same left. So based on all of that, the people have nothing else but to believe that he's off the island. And because he was not wanted for any crime, there was no stop order on his travel documents. And the speculations are true, and he did already book him ticket, then you know that go. The only reason he would return to the island is if him truly innocent and really want to clear him name. If him stay off of the island and present any of the excuses or reasons we put forward why him not fall come clear him name or share what he knows. Because obviously him know more than law enforcement. Our friend don't know them things. It look like him alone know them things when present. So why not present this story or this information to law enforcement? I still say that. Them said the individual we are disrespect Slickianna is not him. We are talking in the comment section. Until we reason again, live, love, and prosper. And of course, stay tuned.